Get paid to play video games or mobile games. If I refresh my PayPal account, this is the balance of my PayPal account, one of my account, which I received by playing video games or mobile games. There are lots of websites available that you can play games and get paid. So if you're interested on like that, watch the video until the end. I'm gonna reveal one of the website here. If you like this video, leave a comment so I can make more video like this one. I will find out more website where you can get paid to play video games. Here, these are the people earn money around the world by playing games on their mobile phones. Okay, in the initial stage you can make like this, but every small amount is count. And again, this website or this app work worldwide. So all you have to do is download it and play it and get paid. Nowadays, everyone have a smartphone. All you have to do is go to this website called winnergames.com. All you have to do is download it, play and earn tickets. So these tickets will count toward your cash prize and you can withdraw that money. So here you can see this is the two thing, App Store and Google Play. So if you have Android, click this one, Google Play, or if you have an iPhone, click this one called Apple Store. So if you click Google Play, then you can see here, this is the app that you can download it. Around 440,000 people download this app, and this app have around 4.2 good review, guys, that you can see here. Now all you have to do is play your games and your balance go up like this. When you reach the threshold or the withdrawal threshold on this app, you can withdraw that money easily. There's lots of other apps that you can do the same thing with it. If you guys interesting video like this one, so let me know. I will make lots of video like this one. Get paid to play games. Again, this is not going to replace a 9-to-5 job, but you can play games while watching TV, or if you are traveling to work, there's a long time to you travel or commute, then you can play that games in your mobile phones and you can get paid and you can withdraw that money into your bank account, guys, or PayPal, and different payment method is available for each of your country. All you have to do is download this game and it will let you know what kind of payment method they offer for each country, guys. If you guys interested in watching video like this, let me know so I can make a video like this more. So you can make money like this every single day by playing games. So let me know, guys, in the comment section. I will make that videos. Couple of other websites I will find out for you and I will make the video, guys. All you have to do is subscribe, like and share and leave a comment below this video, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.